Okay, Hardik will do linking verbs. What are linking verbs? Gurkaran. Okay, the words that link a word, you can say subject with the other. ठीक है. Any example? हाँ बोल. He works hard. That was not at all a link. Acha, how to identify a linking verb? What is the best way to identify linking verb? Sure, how? Some. The simple thing is try to replace linking verb with, try to replace that verb, your main verb, with is MR, ठीक है? And if it makes sense, then it is a linking verb. Okay? Got it? I am going to write few sentences and then you have to answer. Identify whether the verbs are linking or non-linking. ठीक है? How to identify? Try to change the verb with is MR, forms of be. Okay? And if it changes, if it makes sense, if the sense is same, then it is linking. Otherwise, it is non-linking. Okay? Got it? Let's start. One. Always smells like a soup. Next is Radha always smells the soup. There is difference. Pulkit? That's it. Underline the verb and tell whether it is linking or non-linking. In few sentences, there are two verbs. It means you have to tell about both the verbs. No, replace the verb. Replace the verb. Huh. Huh. You have to replace the verb with the forms of be. Okay? Huh? Huh. Verb underline. Verb must be underlined. Punya, just wait, let them write and then we'll discuss, okay? Otherwise, your first answer is wrong. We'll discuss now. If you want example, I'll give you one example. He became angry. Okay. Now change. He is angry. Making sense? So it means became is linking verb. Got it? And if I talk about if it is they thought about all the prizes in the competition, change. They are about all the prizes in the competition. It is not making any sense. Here thought is non-linking. Yes, Hardik, answer is correct. Eat is the verb, but you have to tell whether it is linking or not linking. Done? Done? Gurnur? Done? Done? Gurkaran? Correct. Anvay, correct. Yes, Pulkit. Huh? Verb. Tell me the verb. Quickly is the verb. Eats is the verb. Quick. What is quickly? Adverb. I don't know. Just tell me whether it is linking or not. Sure. Next is you write neatly in your notebook. Correct, Anvay. Roll number 2. Akshima, no. Right? Not linking. Akshita. It's Akshima, change with the forms of be. Forms of be. Is, am, are, was, were. The sweater feels itchy. Gurkaran. Feels linking. Next, Anve's answer is also correct. Next is the doorbell sounds broken. Gurnoor. Broken. Sounds. It sounds correct, Megha. Sounds. That is linking. Broken is a verb, but here, this time it is not working as a verb. It is an adjective here. ठीक है, past participle वाला जो adjective होगा. Jaren, you have done na non finite, non-finite verbs, right? I hear the train coming. Here, not linking. Okay. Sure. All the children seemed satisfied with the bouncy castle. Seemed. Sure. How? What? All the children? Sentence is totally wrong. Are. Please follow the rules. Subject verb agreement. Okay. Yes. Seemed linking. I felt sick when he felt. Sorry, he felt sick when he felt the heat. Which felt linking? Okay, Anvay is saying both are non-linking. Sure? He is sick. This is linking. This is non-linking. He is sick. ठीक है, मतलब कि बीमार है, conveying the message, right? But if we change when he is the heat, ये तो message totally not at all making any sense. This is making sense. He is sick. It makes sense. Divide the sentences, na? These are two different clauses. One clause, second clause. Okay? Tony always smells like a soup. Smells, not linking. Do you think there is any kind of action in this? कोई action हो रहा है? Is there any kind of action? Is there any kind of action of smelling? No, it is Tony always smells like a soup. There is comparison. वो हमेशा सूप की तरह स्मेल करता है. ये नहीं कह रहा कि he is smelling something. This is linking. This is linking. This is comparison. Comparison किया हुआ है. That if I say metaphor, you remember metaphors and similes? Sometimes we have comparison, direct comparison. Sometimes we have indirect comparison, right? So Tony is like a soup. Radha always smells the soup. Here smells, it indicates one action. यहाँ पे action हो रहा है, ठीक है? This is not linking. In linking words, whenever we are talking about linking verbs means no action. No action. Action नहीं होगा, ठीक है? Most children get cranky when they are sleepy. Cranky. Sleepy is adverb. Get is linking. R is linking. This is adjective. This is adjective. Cranky means mad. Huh? Sleepy, where is ly? Sleepy, not sleepily. It's sleepy only. Anvay, in that case, mostly they are not linking. Sorry, mostly they are linking. As we usually have adjectives after that, and no direct action is denoted by those verbs. Okay. Cranky means you can say irritated, mad, something like that. Okay. Got it? First is linking. Second is, am, are, was, were. These are the linking verbs. When used as a main verb, these are linking only. ये तुम्हें पता भी होना चाहिए because we are trying to replace the main verbs with is, am, are, and was, were. Got it? Understood? Sure? And mostly when we have is, am, are, was, were, mostly after these comes complements because they add information. वो information add करते हैं. So after these linking verbs, mostly we have complements. Got it? Is it okay? Sure? Okay. Hardik will do that, discuss that tomorrow. Okay, I'll think of any topic and then we'll discuss article writing tomorrow. Now, email. Revise email and this. Email writing. Pulkit, start with the format. Come here. Hurry up. Acha, one more thing. Maybe I think I have discussed this, that you will get MCQs. No? For your English exam also. The pattern, the format has changed. So you will get MCQs in grammar part. Grammar mein mostly the chances are that most of the questions are going to be in MCQ form. Okay, I don't know about narration and voice. नहीं अभी मुझे I don't have any idea, but MCQs introduce हुए हैं in literature also. Earlier literature में MCQs का कोई chance नहीं था. Now you have MCQs in literature also. Got it? So be careful about it. Depends. And if it is about MCQs, it means directly 1 mark. If you give correct answer, you will get 1 mark. If you give wrong answer, you will lose 1 mark. Lose. 1 mark will be deducted na. In any case, you will not get anything. मतलब कि पहले ये होता था, if you are writing even a sentence, एक single चीज भी लिख रहे हो, you get marks 0.5, 1 जो भी मिल रहा था. अगर अब literature में MCQs आ रहे हैं तो definitely you have to be careful. ठीक है? While marking, suppose A, B, C, D, you have these options. You have to be very much clear. अगर ये टिक किया है बस, it shouldn't be like this. इससे भी कर दिया, you will again not get any marks. ठीक है? काट रहे हो, try to use whitener. ठीक है? नहीं तो उसे proper काटो. ठीक है? Is it okay? I don't know whether you will get question paper or that OMR sheet. I'm not sure about it. OMR sheet. हाँ. So if it is about OMR sheet, तो definitely writing skills भी MCQs में आएंगी. But I don't think this is going to happen. ठीक है? This is not going to happen. No, not free number. अरे that is disadvantage. कई बार तुम्हें लग रहा होगा मे बी ये आंसर ठीक है, ये आंसर ठीक है, तुमने ये टिक कर दिया, आधा नंबर भी नहीं मिलना. लिखते हो कुछ तो मिलता है. ठीक है? सो बी केयरफुल. एंड राइटिंग स्किल्स के चांसेस नहीं है एमसीक्यूज में, so it means you will not get that OMR sheet. You will simply get the proper sheet, question paper in which writing first section is reading, that is MCQs. ठीक है? Section B writing, that you have to write, And from literature part also, maybe you will get 1 or 2 questions where you subjective questions where you have to write directly for 4 or 5 marks. अब भी शायद 5 और no maybe 10 का आ सकता है, depends 5 और 10 I don't know. नहीं सारे का नहीं मुझे पता. Not sure कि 10 का, maybe it's 5. ठीक है, 5 का भी 5 का ही लेकर चलो, 5 MCQs वहां पे. Then for B part writing skills that is subjective. ठीक है, वो आ सकती है 15 marks की writing skills, 15, 14 और 13. Then grammar I doubt, maybe you will not get you will get MCQs, but for narration and voice I don't know. ठीक है, what depends, it depends, हम इधर उधर कर देते होते हैं. And for literature again you will get MCQs, but you can get 1 or 2 subjective questions also, and back exercise is also included. ठीक है, is it okay? So if MCQs means within the chapter, you have to read the chapter properly, try to check this, that okay, this chapter conveys this thing. What is the message conveyed by the chapter? What is the message hidden in the chapter? ये देखने की कोशिश करो. Try to learn the dates. Wars, related to war. War is not the only way to sort out the things. ठीक है? Yes, 50 marks only. It is going to be for 50, and later on we'll decide कि हम कैसे उसे change कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? Clear? Is it okay? Easy भी हो गया है, difficult भी हो गया है. If you are sure about your answer, then definitely it is very simple pattern for you. And if you are not sure, you haven't actually read the chapters properly, you were not listening that time, so you will lose marks. Value based questions can be there. ठीक है, value based, like for that was selfish giant, right? Selfish giant में value based questions बन रहे हैं. Treasure within में चलो that we have done. Selfish giant में okay, what was the end of the story? If I talk for selfish giant, who came, or what does the boy represent? Who does the boy represent? You can not, he represents the god, or he can be the messenger of the god. Go with this. ठीक है, that he can be the, he might or he may be the messenger of God, that after the transformation or heart transformation, or when the selfish giant transformed from being selfish to that good person, that time the messenger of the God came to take him to his paradise, to his beautiful garden, that is paradise. ठीक है, or that is heaven. ठीक है, इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस भी आ सकते हैं. वो क्वेश्चंस जो जिनके ऊपर तुमने ज्यादा ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. विंटर रिप्रेजेंट्स, विंटर इज अ सिंबल ऑफ व्हाट? नेगेटिविटी, सैडनेस. ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें. क्लियर? तो 1 तो नहीं हूं. अनवे इज इट अनवे? एंजल अगर एक एमसीक्यू गलत हो गया तो यू विल नॉट गेट मार्क्स ना, मतलब उस पर्टिकुलर एमसीक्यू का यू विल नॉट गेट मार्क, एनी मार्क. क्वेश्चंस में ऐसे आ सकते हैं, मे बी दे विल, हाँ, बी केयरफुल इन ग्रामर. सच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कैन कम. दे हैव रिटन 1 सेंटेंस, ठीक है, एंड यू हैव टू चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. रीड केयरफुली. कई बार आंसर्स हमें सेम लग रहे होते हैं, बट इट इज बिकॉज द टेंसेस आर डिफरेंट. नरेशन में आ गया तो और बहुत केयरफुल हो जाना. हाँ, नरेशन में अगर आ गया तो बहुत केयरफुली करना, क्योंकि कई बार सिर्फ लास्ट वर्ड, जैसे दे हैव मे बी अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑप्शन टुमारो को उन्होंने चेंज ही ना किया हो. ठीक है, और तुम्हें लगे कि अच्छा यहाँ पे टेंस तो करेक्ट आ रहा है, तो ये ही करेक्ट ऑप्शन है. पूरा सेंटेंस रीड करना, देन मार्क. ओके, ओके नाउ, हाँ Depends. Now, email writing. Pulkit, start. Hurry up, Pulkit. हम है ना यहाँ पे, कम. Start. Imagine this is your computer screen. Now you have to start. Come. Arey, you are going to write now. Bache, compliment is nothing. It is describing. It describes the subject. That's all. Okay, compliments describe the subject. Start writing. Huh? You keep on writing. We will correct you. Okay? Huh. Later on. Start. No need to write BCC. Leave that. Karan, first example. I am a teacher. Teacher is the complement. Okay. It is a noun. It is a complement because it is telling more about I. Got it? Angel, hopefully you just need to underline the complement. That's all. That bus, itna zor. Then finish. Gurkaran, you come. Continue. Come and write. Leave. He'll write. Come. Hurry up. Yes. Then after that, salutation. Continue. Dear, then content. Then yours आता है, but go with lots of love, with love, regards, and यहाँ पे थोड़ी सा नीचे कर. Regards, go with regards, with love. Otherwise, you can write yours lovingly, yours faithfully. Done? Chalo. Regards, and you have to write the name also. Name. Is it okay? This is the format. Use proper ID. I am not saying any working ID. It can be A, B, C. CC, if you don't write anything, still it is okay. No need to mention any other ID. Huh? Carbon copy. Then date. For date, you already know. Subject, whatever the topic is. Then start with simple. Hello, how are you? I'm fine. Hope you are fine. Means the way you start your letter. Again, divide in various paragraphs. Use idioms. Got it? You have to use idioms. Then the way you conclude your letter, same way you are going to conclude it. What happened, Pulkit? Why are you smiling? Is it okay? Tomorrow we will discuss compliments and article writing. Anyway, this will look good. So better if you write in the box. Okay. Now the time is over. Yes. Otherwise, it is not compulsory to include that this part, body in a box. Make boxes for this at least. Okay. Bye. Take care.